feeling low, drained out, and blah, I have the perfect antidote, my bulletproof plan. The bulletproof coffee, urf butter coffee. Ready for a kick? Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. वो कॉफी ही क्या जिसमें हेल्थ और टेस्ट का मिश्रण ना हो। आज की रेसिपी बहुत ही सिंपल है, बटर कॉफी. It's an essential part of a keto diet, but it's also consumed by a lot of people who are following a low carb diet and want to lose fat. कॉफी में बटर स्प्रेड? हाँ जी, क्योंकि the rich flavor from the creamy milk in the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread adds a generous amount of yumminess. And the probiotics in it support immunity. So let's get cracking. This is very, very simple, just literally 5 ingredients. हमने कॉफी को गरम उबलते पानी में already brew करके रखा हुआ है. That's it. Almond milk. A dash of vanilla essence. हमने न्यूट्रलाइट दूध शक्ति प्रोबायोटिक बटर स्प्रेड को मेल्ट किया हुआ है, around a tablespoon and a half, and now we just add a pinch of pink salt. Just give it a blitz. It's literally like a shot. This butter coffee is all you need to add energy to your gloomy day. Adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread is definitely the butter way to do it. Do try this one out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the Simple Soulful app now. आज आप साथ में बोले, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो. Cheers!